debt is keeping you broke. Debt is costing you a lot of money because you're not just paying off the amount that you took originally, you're paying off the interest as well. So whether it's credit card debt, student loan debt, personal loan debt, whatever the debt is, you're paying more than you borrowed because you're paying interest to the bank for having borrowed that money. And these debts can eat away at how much money you have coming in. Because not only, like I said, are you paying for the debt, you're also paying the interest on the debt. And the kicker is, just like with compounding interest on money that you save, you have compounding interest on your debt as well. So if you're not able to pay off all your debt, the interest that you owe on the debt is now your balance. And now you're paying interest on the interest that you didn't get paid off because you didn't have the balance paid off. So you just wind up owing more money and more money. And that's why debt is really, really hard on your finances. So your goal is to reduce your debt so more of your paycheck stays with you rather than going to a bank. And if you're not sure where to start, you already have. You're watching this video, you're already making a step forward. Now the next step is to lay out what you owe and what the percentage rates are and the balances. I'm going to share with you 2 different ways to pay off debt. The first way is the snowball method. The snowball method, you'll take a look at all your debts that you owe. You're going to pick the amounts that are the smallest amounts. You're going to maintain minimum payments on everything, and you're going to pay off the smallest balances first. This is going to give you a quick win. You're going to feel good about yourself because you won. Give yourself a gold star. The next is the debt avalanche method. And with this method, you're going to pick the card that has the debt that has the highest percent interest rate. You're going to pay that one first while you maintain your minimum payments on everything else. The avalanche method works because you're paying off those higher interest rates first, so you're not paying as much on interest. But if you need quick wins so you maintain motivation, then you really should use the debt snowball. I personally in the past have used a little bit of both. I take out the smaller debts first, so I have that quick win benefit. And then with the larger debts, I go through them and pick the one with the highest interest rate, and I start paying it off first while maintaining the minimum payments on all the rest of the cards. A combination of these two gives me the quick wins that I need for motivation, as well as saving me money on the interest rates. Whichever way you choose, the idea is to get rid of the debt, to free yourself of the debt, so you can enjoy more of your income instead of the bank taking it all. The other